Have you ever wondered why we dream and what those dreams might mean? Ever considered if ancient wisdom might hold the answers? Did you know that dreams have a profound significance in this ancient culture? Stick around as we explore the secrets, meanings, and cultural richness that dreams hold in Hindu perspectives. In Hinduism, dreams aren't just fleeting images. They're portals to divine reality. The Vedas, Upanishads, Puranas, and Itihasas, the oldest scriptures, all weave dreams into the fabric of the culture. Imagine dreams as messages from the gods or a window to your inner self. Intrigued? Let's go deeper. Ever wondered what your dream state says about you? Whether you're wide awake, deep in sleep, or in a state of pure consciousness, each state holds keys to understanding your true self. The Hindu scriptures, such as the Upanishads and the Vedas, categorize dreams into three types. The first type is the kama, which encompasses desires or ambitions, reflecting one's unfulfilled wishes. The second type, karma, represents the actions and deeds from one's past life influencing the present. The final type is the jnana dream, believed to be divine revelations or prophetic visions. These dream categories are not merely classifications. They are seen as pathways to understanding our innermost selves. For instance, the karma dreams can help us identify our deepest desires, while the karma dreams can guide us to make sense of our present life situations. The jnana dreams, on the other hand, are seen as divine messages and are often interpreted as omens or prophecies. In this philosophy, dreams aren't dismissed as mere illusions or random brain activity. They are considered as a profound spiritual experience. Some dreams are warning signs, alerting us to physical or mental imbalances. But hold on, dreams aren't just harbingers of doom. They're also healers, offering solutions to our waking challenges. Now, as we peel back the layers of Hindu perspectives, imagine combining ancient wisdom with modern understanding. In the quest for understanding dreams, modern science offers a couple of theories. Sigmund Freud, the father of psychoanalysis, viewed dreams as the royal road to the unconscious. He believed that dreams are a reflection of repressed desires, conflicts, and memories that reside in the subconscious mind, often manifesting as symbolic representations. On the other hand, we have the activation synthesis model. This theory, proposed by neuroscientists J. Allen Hobson and Robert McCarley, posits that dreams are merely a byproduct of random brain activity during our sleep. According to them, our brain tries to make sense of these random impulses, resulting in the creation of dreams. These theories, though differing in approach, do converge at a point. They both acknowledge that dreams are a product of the intricate interplay between our subconscious mind and brain activity. Freud's theory aligns with the Hindu belief that dreams are a window to our subconscious, revealing truths hidden deep within us. Similarly, the activation synthesis model echoes the Hindu understanding of the mind's role in creating our dream realities. So, while modern science may not directly validate ancient Hindu interpretations, it certainly doesn't negate them. Rather, it offers a complementary perspective, enriching our understanding of the enigmatic world of dreams. Thus, science sees dreams as a complex interplay of our subconscious and brain physiology. It seems like ancient wisdom and modern science stand at two ends of the spectrum. Or do they? On the surface, the Hindu understanding of dreams, with its spiritual and symbolic interpretations, might seem to diverge from the cold, hard facts of science. Yet, when we delve deeper, we find that these two perspectives have more in common than meets the eye. Ever wondered what happens in your body when you dream? Ayurvedic texts spill the secrets, connecting dreams to the balance of doshas and the activity of the mind. It's not just a dream, it's a physiological journey through your subconscious. But wait, there's more. Dreams in Ayurveda aren't just figments of imagination. They're diagnostic tools. They reveal imbalances, predict illnesses, and offer glimpses into our mental and spiritual well-being. It's a holistic journey through the realms of health and spirituality. Modern science also supports the ancient wisdom that dreams are a tool for problem solving. You know those aha moments we sometimes have after waking up from a vivid dream? Well, science says that's our brains using dreams to explore different solutions to our problems, much like the Hindu teachings that dreams can offer insight and guidance. But of course, there are differences. Hinduism often interprets dreams symbolically, with specific imagery holding deep spiritual meanings. In contrast, science tends to shy away from such specific interpretations, focusing more on the physiological and psychological processes involved. So, it appears that the ancient Hindu understanding of dreams and modern science may not be as divergent as they initially seem. Both offer unique perspectives, yet they also intersect in fascinating ways, suggesting that maybe, just maybe, ancient wisdom and modern science are two sides of the same coin. We've traveled from the spiritual realm of Hindu philosophy to the empirical world of science. We've explored the ethereal nature of dreams as understood in Hinduism and how this ancient wisdom resonates with modern scientific findings. The dream realm, a meeting point of the physical and the metaphysical, has intrigued us for millennia. Until next time, keep dreaming, exploring, and embracing the mysteries of your own subconscious. Sweet dreams, everyone. Namaste.